No one ever calls us because something great happened in their life. When I get a phone call, something tragic has happened.
We represent people that have had catastrophic injuries or that have lost a loved one. I represent people from all walks of life.
We've represented people in so many different kinds of cases. We probably have a pretty good feeling what you're going through.
Over the years, we have certainly funneled down to handling a lot of 18-wheeler collisions and commercial vehicle collisions. But the firm has had success in a lot of cases that are a different type.
The focus on commercial vehicles developed over the years. It takes more experience and more knowledge.
I went and took lessons on how to drive an 18-wheeler, just so I could know, what questions should I ask these guys? And what does it really feel like? We started learning as much about it as we could so that we could best represent our clients.
Your life has been turned upside down, and our job is to take that stress off you, to take that worry off you and put it on us.
We're a firm that works on a contingency basis, and what that means is we're paid on a percentage of the recovery. It also means that you have no out-of-pocket expenses.
We fund the cases because you believe in this client so much that you're going to win.
I think there's also this feeling of, it's too good to be true. What do you mean I don't have to pay anything up front? And the answer is nothing.
And if for some reason there's no recovery, you owe us nothing and we part friends. When you call our firm initially, you're going to talk to a lawyer unless we're in trial.
Oftentimes, law firms have an intake department, but most of the time you'll speak to an attorney when you first call.
You're not going to just have a case manager assigned to your case, but you're going to have a lawyer on your case from day one.
We really like to take as much of the burden off you as possible.
Anytime we take on a client, we immediately do everything we can to help them, and often that's getting them medical treatment.
One of the services we provide is that we have access to the best doctors, and they will work with us and treat you, and we don't have to pay them until your case settles.
When it comes to expansion, it's not always desire but need. A successful law firm attracts good lawyers.
Even as the firm has grown over the years, I feel like we've maintained that family atmosphere. Once you hire us, you never talk to the insurance company again.
We want you to be able to tell them you're represented by Frenkel and Frenkel. If you have any questions, call them.
The insurance company calls you, you just tell them your lawyers are Frenkel and Frenkel, and I promise you they've got my number.